Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the essentials, the song file and a recording app. Open your DAW or phone app and import the backing track so timing is fixed. Once done, arm a new audio track and set input to your mic. This prevents double recording and maintains sync. Make sure to set sample rate to 44, 1K Hz and monitor levels so peaks don't clip. Now do a short test take to confirm gain, timing, and headphone bleed. You now record with intent. Sing along to the track in headphones and record multiple passes so you can comp the best phrases. Once you have takes, listen and mark the strongest sections. Use the comping tool or manually cut and paste phrases into a composite take. After comping, align any timing slips by nudging regions or using transient detection. This tightens performance and keeps rhythm. If timing differs, stretch or slice, you finish by shaping the vocal. Apply EQ to remove muddiness, gentle compression for consistency, and a tasteful reverb to sit the voice in the mix. Once balanced against the backing track, automate volume rides on tricky phrases and use a limiter on the master to avoid clipping. Export at WAV or high-quality MP3 and listen on headphones and speakers. If vocals sound distant or harsh, revisit EQ and check headphone bleed. Re-record problem sections if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.